Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the future of automotive engineering with the Tesla Model X Plaid. At the forefront of the Model X Plaid's exterior is the iconic Tesla badging, proudly displayed at the front of the vehicle. The Model X Plaid comes equipped with state-of-the-art matrix headlights, setting a new standard in automotive lighting technology. With the Model X Plaid, you get more than just a sleek SUV. You also get a frunk, or front trunk, which provides additional storage space for your belongings. The Model X comes with 22-inch Cybertruck wheels, which add sophistication and sportiness in equal measure. It's a head-turner, to say the least. Step inside the Model X Plaid and you're greeted with a sense of openness and grandeur. Thanks to its expansive cabin and the world's largest panoramic windshield, every journey feels like a voyage through the clouds. Right here at the front, you'll discover a wireless charging pad capable of powering up not just one but two smartphones simultaneously. And speaking of convenience, the Model X Plaid boasts two cup holders equipped with an automatic closing feature. Say goodbye to spills and hello to peace of mind as your beverages remain securely in place, even during spirited drives. There is stylish leather box, offering additional storage space for your essentials. Whether it's keys, sunglasses, or other small items, this elegantly designed compartment keeps everything within arm's reach while maintaining a clutter-free interior. At the heart of the driving experience lies a choice that reflects both tradition and innovation. With the Tesla Model X Plaid, you have the option to select either the classic steering wheel or the groundbreaking yoke steering. Let's talk about the seating options. While the standard Model X offers versatility with 5, 6, and 7-seater configurations, the Plaid variant sets itself apart by offering the epitome of comfort and space with its exclusive 6-seater layout. The Model X Plaid, passengers are treated to an unparalleled level of comfort, especially in the middle row. With a space between the two seats, occupants can stretch out and relax, enjoying ample legroom and a sense of freedom rarely found in other SUVs. Inside the Model X Plaid, and prepare to be enveloped in sound like never before. With its 22-speaker 960-watt audio system, every note and every beat is delivered with crystal clarity and immersive depth. For those in the back seats, entertainment is just a touch away. The Model X Plaid comes equipped with a rear display screen, allowing passengers to enjoy their favorite movies, shows, and games on the go. It's the perfect way to keep everyone entertained during long drives or road trips. The Tesla Model X has an overall length of 5,057 mm, an overall width of 2,271 mm, and a height of 1,740 mm. The Tesla Model X's Falcon Wing doors seamlessly blend futuristic design with practical functionality, offering unparalleled access to the vehicle's interior while turning heads with their iconic and innovative opening motion. Model X provides 37 cubic feet of cargo room behind its rear seats and 85 cubic feet with these seats folded. Adding the optional third-row seats cuts usable cargo space to 15 cubic feet when they're in use. Talking about the rear, first up, we have the iconic Tesla badging. Flanking the Tesla badging are the mesmerizing LED taillights. With their sleek design and attention to detail, these taillights are sure to leave a lasting impression. And let's not forget about aerodynamics. Mounted atop the rear hatch is a body-colored spoiler, meticulously crafted to enhance the Model X Plaid's performance and efficiency. Not only does it add a touch of sportiness to the SUV's appearance, but it also helps improve stability at higher speeds, ensuring a smooth and controlled ride. The Tesla Model X Plaid isn't just another SUV, it's a fortress on wheels. The heart of the driving experience lies a choice that reflects both tradition and innovation. With the Tesla Model X Plaid, you have the option to select either the classic steering wheel or the groundbreaking yoke steering. Front and center in the Model X Plaid's cockpit is the awe-inspiring 17-inch touchscreen display. Boasting a resolution of 2200 over 1300, this massive screen delivers true-to-life colors and crisp visuals that are sure to leave you mesmerized. At the tip of your fingers lies the power to control more than just the entertainment and navigation systems. With the Model X Plaid's touchscreen display, you can effortlessly open and close the doors with a simple tap. But what sets this touchscreen apart from the rest is its left-right tilt feature. With just a swipe of your finger, you can adjust the angle of the screen to your liking, ensuring optimal visibility and comfort for every driver and passenger. You have full control over your mirrors, enabling you to adjust them to your preferred position with ease, ensuring optimal visibility and comfort while on the road. You'll have real-time access to crucial information about your battery status, empowering you to plan your journeys with confidence and peace of mind. For those longer trips, the infotainment system goes the extra mile by helping you locate nearby Tesla superchargers, ensuring that you're never far from a quick and convenient recharge. The Tesla Model X dual-motor all-wheel drive platform not only offers the longest range with an EPA estimated 335 miles, but also delivers mind-blowing power and acceleration, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 3.8 seconds with a peak power of 670 GP. The Model X Plaid, boasting a tri-motor all-wheel drive platform with torque vectoring, showcases 3 independent motors, each with a carbon-sleeved rotor, ensuring relentless power delivery of over 1,000 horsepower all the way to its top speed, achieving a jaw-dropping 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.5 seconds with an EPA estimated range of 326 miles. The Tesla Model X Plaid isn't just another SUV, it's a fortress on wheels. Built with a high-strength architecture and a floor-mounted battery pack, it offers unparalleled occupant protection and significantly reduces the risk of rollovers. Providing you and your loved ones with peace of mind on the road, safety doesn't stop with the vehicle's construction. Every Model X Plaid comes equipped with Tesla's latest active safety features, including automatic emergency braking at no extra cost. These systems work tirelessly to keep you safe, intervening when necessary to prevent accidents before they happen, and when it comes to visibility, the Model X Plaid leaves nothing to chance. With rear, side, and forward-facing cameras providing maximum visibility, you'll have a clear view of your surroundings at all times. Plus, with powerful visual processing at up to 250 meters of range, Tesla Vision ensures that nearby cars are detected, potential collisions are prevented, and parking is made effortless. In conclusion, the Tesla Model X Plaid combines style, innovation, and practicality to deliver an unparalleled driving experience.